Hey guys, this is George EDC Leather. Sitting here, I'm wearing my fancy hat there from George Cubic, Victor George today. Man, got back in the shop today. We did some testing last night, and I'm pretty excited. So this is a TRL1 stream light. Okay, probably the most ubiquitous light out there for weapon-mounted lights. And we run into a problem as holster makers, meaning we've got to purchase a blue gun with a light already on it, or own the light at a few $100s in order to design and build for it. So we wanted to make this simpler. You already own a blue gun, so why don't we make you basically a light blue gun? And you can take your firearm. This here is a Glock 17 Gen 5, and you can mount it up to it. Okay, so notice there's no ears tightening down inside of here. It's just smooth. And this little ramp here is to get it to sit at the right height. So how do we get to hold on? Well, it can be relatively simple. If I can do this. So I'm going to grab a little bit of aluminum tape. This is a 3M product. It's got a backer on it. I think we get it at Lowe's, something like that. And I'm going to take and see if I can get this here to peeling. So there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and come here to my blue gun. Get on there. And I'm going to get it started, okay? I'm going to come around. Don't worry about where it matches up to the sight or anything like that. And you're not trying to make it pretty right now. You're just wanting to get it up on there and get it going. I'm going to take my little light. I'm going to mount it up to the gun. Or banana, or whatever you want to call it. Now I'm going to wrap this around. But George, that ain't pretty. Well, this stuff's thin. Looky here. I could take my fingers and I can mold this right down to the drone and to the light. So now I have a TRL1 mounted Glock 17. And put this right in the holster, put it in the press, mold it up. Everything's great. It doesn't care about water, doesn't care about pressure. The puppy is pretty doggone tough. All right, so now I'm done with it, and I don't want to buy a whole herd of these. I just want to have one in my shop. So now you just take it, grab your knife, scissors, whatever you got, and I'm going to slice through that tape. Take this back off of here. See how good I am at this. And put this back on my bench to mount it up on a different firearm. So say I wanted to do a Glock 47 next. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Or the 19. And I have all Glocks here because it's Glock World. And you can go to the compatibility list on Streamlight's page and find out everything a TRL1 works for. You'll find it's fairly ubiquitous in the market. So I've got 3 of these. Angle my little camera thingy. I got 3 of these available. I'll have 3 more coming out in 12 hours. But I'm going to go ahead and put these here puppies up on the website. If you're interested, if you like it, let me know.